Yo, what's up, team? It's Raphael here. I hope you all having a great time. This was my day today. As you all know, made 80 grand on gold today. Guys, many of you struggling to become consistently profitable. Many of you got the problem with risk management, and many of you are trying to do too much, you know. In trading, we make money when we wait, when we wait for our move, for the setup that we are looking for, or when we got our trade in the market, we have to wait for it to develop, like we what we want to see. So, and many of you are trading on like 5, 6, 7, 8 different markets all at the same time, but they cannot react on all these markets at the same time. I've said that before, and I will say it again and again. All you need to be consistently profitable in trading is one move or one market that you are trading. It's always just one thing. That's enough. One thing is enough. If you know what you're looking for in the market, like this one move, you can do this on just one market and you can build a complete trading career around that. Don't overcomplicate your trading, okay? When it comes to trading, it has to be simple. Keep it simple. Always straight risk management, and then see you guys on top. Peace out.